Myself Ushashri. Now I am going to demonstrate how to design gray code to binary conversion circuit hardware, that is program number 8. Okay, this is the truth table, that is how this truth table is constructed. I'll give one example. Take an example, any one value, that is 0101. First keep the first bit as it is and do the exclusive OR operation on these two bits. So exclusive OR operation will get 1. Next again exclusive OR, so same bits 0. Again 0 0 same, so 0. This is the 1100 binary. Gray code is taken and converted into binary code. This is how the truth table for all the combinational values 0 to 14 is taken as a truth table. And by this, okay, using this and minimizing using K-map, the circuit is designed like this. This is the circuit design after minimizing by using K-map. Now I will design this circuit and show you the output. We need 4 ICs, that is one IC not IC and 2 ICs, that is AND gate IC, and one is OR gate IC. Okay, so NOT gate 7404 is connected here and 740808 here, and this is the OR gate 7432. I am doing the connections according to the circuit. So I am considering from this side B3, B2, B1, B0 as inputs, same Z3, Z2, Z1, Z0 as outputs. G3, okay, G, gray code to binary conversion, G3 I am taking as input and given for NOT gate input. And what are all the connections for this is, okay, according to the circuit, directly Z3 input becomes the B3 output. And one more connection, that is for second AND gate. This is connected for second AND gate, that is pin number 4. Now from G3 input connections were completed. So I am taking the connections from inverted G, that is NOT gate output. Pin number 2 to what are all the connections is, first pin number 1 AND gate, first AND gate input, that's it, completed. Now I'll take next input, that is G2. G2 is given for pin number 3 NOT gate, and what are all the connected, that is for Z3 first AND gate input. So this is given G3 first AND gate input, and the output of first AND gate is taken as an input of OR gate, that is the last connected, okay, and that same G3 input is completed. Now G2 NOT gate output, that is connected for second AND gate input, that is pin number 5. Okay, that's it, only one connection. Now this AND gate output is given as an input, one of the input for OR gate. That OR gate output is taken as an B2, binary 2. Next, and same this OR gate output, okay, is connected for NOT gate input, and this NOT gate output is given for AND gate input, next AND gate, that is input is pin number 9. Again the same OR gate output is given for one of the AND gate, that is pin number 9. Okay, the same OR gate output again given for one more AND gate input. So I am taking the fourth AND gate connection input. Okay, now taking one more input, that is G3, and connecting to the pin number 9, that is NOT gate input, and that is Z1. What are all the connections? That is AND gate, one input for AND gate. The same input is given for one of the AND gate, that is already NOT gate of this is given. This is the NOT gate. So one more input. Now this AND gate output is given for new OR gate input. Only one connection from G1. Now G1 inverted output, that is NOT gate output, is taken and it is connected for AND gate. This means AND gate input. This is the AND gate input, and that AND gate output is given for OR gate input. Okay, and this OR gate output is taken as B1 output pin output, and the same is given for NOT gate, and that inverted output is given for new AND gate input, new AND gate, and the same output of OR gate is taken and given for one more new AND gate input. And now taking the last input, gray Z0 input, and connecting to the NOT gate input, and for this we will check the connections. That is only one connection for the OR gate input. So I will connect one connection from the NOT gate input, and it is given for AND gate input, and this inverted output is given for another AND gate. Now AND gate, two AND gate outputs were taken from pin number 8, 11 and given for OR gate inputs, that is pin number 9 and 10, and this output, that is 8 pin, taken as B0 output. Now connect all the ICs. 14 pin for VCC, and 7 pin for ground. Switch on the trainer kit and check the output. According to the table, all zeros it should be 0, 1 it should be 1, next 1 0 it should be 1 1, 1 1 it should be 0 0 1 0, 1 1 0 it should be 0 1 1 1, 0 1 1 1. 1 0 1, it should be 0 1 1 0. 3 ones, 0 3 ones, 0 1 0 1. 1 0 0 0, it should be all ones. Next 1 0 0 1, 1 1 1 0. 1 1 1 0. 1 0 1 0, 1 1 0 0. 1 0 1 0, 1 1 0 0. Next 1 0 1 1, it should be 1 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1. 1 1 0 0, that is for 10, it should be 1 0 0 0. 1 1 0 1, it should be 1 0 0 1. 3 ones 0, it should be 1 0 1 1. All ones, it should be 1 0 1 0. This is the circuit design and output truth table. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share my video.